see a mundane speech by an Australian cabinet minister becomes remarkable, but only when played up against clips of Michael Douglas as the president in the great Aaron Sorkin film, The American President.
Damn, and I want to be different from the other guys.
Take a look.
In Australia, we have serious challenges to solve, and we need serious people to solve them.
We have serious problems to solve, and we need serious people to solve them.
Tony Abbott is not the least bit interested in fixing anything.
Bob Rumson is not the least bit interested in solving it.
He's only interested in two things:
He is interested in two things:
making Australians afraid of it and telling them who's to blame for it.
making you afraid of it and telling you who's to blame for it.
Coincidence? I'll let you be the judge. The correct answer to our GPS challenge question was A, the Monroe Doctrine, warning European powers to stay out of the affairs of the Western Hemisphere, was laid out in President James Monroe's 1823